Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor 400. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Then click open and click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad and click allow and click consent. Then click on this button to start VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.